Great. Thank you, Dean Stokowski. When you think of dating apps, do you think national security? Well, last month, the United States government identified Grindr, the largest LGBTQ dating app, a national security threat. Citing data privacy concerns, US officials forced the Chinese company to relinquish full control. This case reflects and augments the already deteriorating US-China relationship, and this divestment will influence major business deals between Chinese and American firms. It is a dangerous power struggle between two of the largest economies in the world over our personal information. The US is attempting to check China's rise as a strategic competitor, but this game of power politics is destructive to our economy and to the future of bilateral relations. At the present time, the United States does not have the economic or political capacity to quell China's thirst for growth, and it shouldn't try to. Thank you.